Drivers. Okay, so you've got a plan. Here's what you want to do. Here's who you're going to target. Here's the channels you're going to use. And now you've got your builders done. You've got assets. You've got a TV commercial. You got emails. You got all this stuff. What do you do now? That's the drivers. That's, some people call this campaign management. Some people call it deployment. There's lots of words, phrases in our world for do the marketing. Some of the tools we use, any sort of drivers, tools. You can have web platforms for emails. You can be using the phone, websites, social ads. You're probably doing reporting. That's another tool that makes for great drivers campaigns, is reporting, and great reporting. Skill sets, a lot of attention to detail in campaign management, but knowing analytics, segmenting. Segmenting, by the way, can also happen in strategy. Not it can also happen. It does also happen in strategy, but drivers is where you start to actually have to manage that segmentation. Knowing how to split test, and I mentioned reporting twice because it's that important. Deliverables, hopefully, what we're asked to deliver during a driver's phase is outcomes. More traffic to a website, more leads. Some people will call them MQLs, marketing qualified leads, or SQLs, sales qualified leads. New customers, donors. This is where the rubber meets the road for us when a client is hiring us. But when you're thinking about your campaigns, this is where you're saying, what did we get for the work? Budget. This is definitely an area where drivers can quickly be the largest portion of the budget. You can spend money real fast in ad spend, which is something we talked about in our last webinar. The hard cost for the billboards, the TV commercials, the online ads, whatever hard cost you might have. Drivers can quickly be the largest line item in the budget. KPIs. This is 100% where you should focus on KPIs. It's going to be channel specific. So click-through rate, that could be an ad, that could be you can use click-through rate on emails, open rates on emails, conversion rates on landing pages, close rates. That's a little more of a sales KPI, but it still might be interesting to track in your marketing campaigns. Traffic from different sources. Definitely be obsessed with KPIs here in the drivers.